MOTs, servicing and repairs. These are day-to-day business for you as a technician, but not for a car owner. In fact, they really don't understand what they're paying for in most cases. So if you call the customer to tell them they need to pay €800 for their vehicle for repair to get the car to pass its MOT, this is often something the customer does not understand and makes him or her unhappy. You could argue that I always call in advance to say whether it's for an MOT or servicing. Okay, but what if that could be even more powerful and even more transparent? The result is a customer that you're convinced of that he or she will come back to you and continues to come back. So how do you do this? With a personal video. One that's quick and easy to make with your smartphone. In no time, at your workstation, in which you inform the customer what your findings are. Either before, during, or afterwards, or whenever you think is the best time to do so. What do you think happens when that customer receives that video? They're convinced by your transparency and your personal approach. Welcome to VentoVid. We help car companies achieve optimal transparency with maximum customer satisfaction. And that leads to more customers, more work, and ultimately, more revenue.